Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Ram Dhamija. Today is 22nd of January and how are the market cues looking? Let's take a look. Yesterday the US markets were up. They closed at about zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.8 in the green. So Nasdaq was up about 0.63, S&P was up about 0.83 and Dow Jones was up about 0.12. As we speak right now, the futures are also looking in green. So the US tech futures are up zero point 0.5 and US 500 is up 0.2. So there is absolutely no problem in the US markets. In fact, because of that, Asia is also up. So Nikkei is up about 1.4, except for Hang Seng, which is down, and that is evident because there was a announcement by Mr. Trump that he was going to impose sanctions on China as well, not sanctions, sorry, tariffs on China as well. So the Hang Seng market is down minus 1.37%. Taiwan is up 1.25. So global cues are all looking fine. But where we are, we yesterday broke 23,000 on the Nifty. Now this level has not been seen since November. So we broke this level after a couple of months, and this indicates the pattern that I have been talking about of lower lows and lower highs. So the next one, the big one, is the election day result low, which is at 21,200. So that is still some time away. That low is still some time away. I'm not saying that we are going to go there immediately, but that is one number that we need to keenly watch out for. Apart from that, the open interest in Nifty has turned bearish. So right now the open interest is at 0.65. So there are about 15 crore calls and about 10 crore puts written in the Nifty. So, same is the case with Banknifty. It is the open interest is even lesser at about 0.56. Also, the interesting thing to see is that there are calls written on every level. So be it 23,200, 300, 400, and there are huge number of calls that are written. So there are two implications for that. One is that we break the yesterday's low and we fall further down like in a waterfall. But if there is a short covering, then all these shorts will also have to cover. Right now, it doesn't look like there is any trigger for a short covering. So the setup is very bearish, but we always have to be prepared for movement on both the sides. Apart from that, what are the other global cues looking like as we speak today morning? The US 10-year is at 4.5, which is at par. And then Bitcoin has surged. So it has gone to 106,000 US dollars. So that is basically indicating there's a lot of risk on in the US markets, and a lot of liquidity is flowing into Bitcoin. Brent is at 79.3, so that is good news for us. As long as it is below 80, we are fine. Our currency is showing no strength. We are still at 86.5, even though the dollar indexes have come down to 108. Gold is at 2750 now. So gold has steadily gone up, even though the dollar is where it was, but gold is going up, and silver is at 31.5. So if you see, gold in our currency will actually be going much higher because the currency is also depreciating. So what else? We have two results, big results today. HDFC is coming out with its numbers, and Hindustan Unilever will be coming out with its number today. So we have lots to look forward to today, but the setup is slightly bearish. So take your positions accordingly and trade safely, because we are. It looks like we are entering into a big bear zone, because we have not been able to clear the last high of 24,200. Till the time we are able to clear that, the market is definitely in a bear grip. So that's it from me now. Have a profitable day, and I shall see you in the post market report in the afternoon. Bye bye.